Welcome back to class. We are back on the base cabinets, and here I am sanding. One of my least favorite jobs, but it really helps a project look nice. Gets out all those imperfections. As you can see, this is normal speed. This is how fast I work in the shop every day. We're going to bring in our other base cabinet. This one has the black walnut frame on it. We're just running over, sanding it with the orbital sander, get away the glue marks, any nicks and cuts or things that we didn't sand off in pre-sanding, making it all look nice so it's flush and ready to go. There we go. Now on to the even more favorite part of hand sanding. Taking a block of wood and wrapping some 220 grit sandpaper around it, I'm sanding with the grain on everything that's going to be touched, everything that's going to be seen, anything that is going to have a big visual impact or touch. Again, on the second cabinet, sand away, here we go. Get some nice hand strength here, and we just sand until we don't want to sand anymore. Then just like that, we are in the spray booth in the finishing room. Here I'm putting on a Watco golden oak stain, and I'm rubbing it in, covering all the surfaces. It helps preserve the wood. It helps bring out that color, that grain structure. I am personally really liking the contrast between the black walnut and the oak. In this view here, you might be asking, why are all these different types of wood on this project? Well, the answer is it's a demonstration piece. It's an outfeed table in a high school shop, and that way students can see what different wood species look like finished. I've got an example right there in the middle of the shop, so when they're selecting projects, they can walk over and say, hey, this is what black walnut looks like with golden oak stain, or it's similar to natural, so that's why I did it. And I've got red oak on this face frame, and for some reason I dinged it up coming in, so I had to do a little hand sanding there. Don't look too closely at the cabinet when you are in the building here. And here we are, stain, flip it up, stain. Took me about 54 minutes to stain the 3 base cabinets with a brush and a rag, making sure I'm getting everything. This cabinet is the middle of the 3, and I'm taking off the clamps. I stained that one, but I did not get that on video. Here we are spraying the lacquer on. I use a Watco lacquer as well. We have a really nice spray booth here. It's a lot better than brushing. I sprayed all 3 of these in 38 minutes. It probably would have taken 38 minutes just to brush it on just one cabinet. So spraying is nice. It gives a nice even coat. Here we throw on the second one. Spray. Let us spray. Sorry, not a singer. That's why I teach shop class. And it's turning out nice. Coming along. Mixing it up in between. Got the dust or the hood going on in there. It's pretty loud in there. And here's the second coat. Spray on everything. I let it dry for about 2.5, 3 hours before I put the second coat on, and I did give it a little light sanding with a foam sanding block, 220 grit, just to take down the high spots of the first coat. And spray, and it's turning out nice, getting every nook and cranny. And here's the third cabinet. Away we go. Spin. That Lazy Susan thing, that's excellent. I really like it.
I like to
How did that get in there? Clean the toilet?